Hello everyone, welcome to Allah Said. If you still don't have an idea about what to start as your online side hustle, here is a great beginner friendly idea to start. Do you know there's a method which you can create a 100% free mini landing page looks like this and sell anything without spending a single penny from your pocket. And also you can collect your money to your PayPal account or to your Stripe account without no limitations. How cool is it, huh? Before we start, please consider subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you find anything important from these videos. After checking out my new intro, let's go to the step number 1. Guys, first of all, you must decide what product you're gonna sell. For this tutorial, I'm gonna sell an ebook. Now, how to find an ebook to sell? For that, I'm using this website. This website has so many ebooks and many more free products for sale. Just select one of these and click the blue button to download. Now the most important part, the step number 2. Head over to this site payhip.com. With Payhip, you can sell physical products, digital products, and subscription plans. And let's say you are an online guru, here is a great option for you to sell your courses. Also, if you do have few more products to sell, you can create an online store on Payhip for free and sell it comfortably. Now sign up to Payhip and click products and then click add product. As I'm selling an ebook, I'm going to select digital product. Now let's upload the file we downloaded from the PLR download website. Then give it a title. Now price your product. Then you can upload a product image. Then let's copy the product description from the PLR website to our Payhip. Now click advanced options and tick product is an ebook. Then click automatically subscribe for email and finally click add product button. Now you have published your first product. Now you need to set up your payment method. For that, go to account section, then click settings, click payment details. You can see I already added my PayPal account to this. If you need, you can upload a Stripe account also. Now type a statement description and this is how your transaction appears on your customer's bank statement. Finally, save settings. Always remember to save everything, every change you are doing on Payhip. Now you can, if you need, you can check all these and update all these settings. Especially, you have to add shipping details if you are selling physical products. Now you can view your product and it will be looks like this. So congratulations guys, now you have created your first miniature landing page. If you need, you can expand this with many more products to an online store for free on Payhip. After that, you can promote these products with the product links on social medias like Facebook, Instagram, especially on TikTok. And I have done many videos about how to promote things on Pinterest. You can go and watch those videos. So I think you learn a great method to start your online side hustle as a beginner. If you do have any questions, please comment below. And again, I have to mention, please consider subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you find anything important from these videos. Goodbye and see you soon.